Hey guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. My name is Brianna Robinson and today I'm going to be testing out a recipe by Laura Vitale, or Laura in the Kitchen. She's really popular here on YouTube, and today I'm going to be making her chai tea spiced pound cake. I've never made this before. I'm super stoked. I usually use a lot of her recipes. She's one of my go-to people for recipes that I make a lot for my family. So I'm really excited about this one. And I'll leave a link to her channel and a link to this video recipe down in the bottom bar below. So let's go ahead and get started.
Okay, so this is just your pretty standard baking recipe. You mix your wet and then your dry and then add them all together. The only weird thing about this recipe, in my opinion, was I added green tea to the wet ingredients instead of adding chai tea. But it ended up working out pretty well in the end, and then I just baked it, and once it cooled I made a glaze with the cinnamon and vanilla and then sprinkled the glaze on top.
Alright guys, so this is how it turned out after the glaze settled and everything. It smells delicious, so I'm super excited to give this a taste. Oh my gosh, this is so good. The glaze really helps amplify the chai flavor, but all in all, this is phenomenal. It doesn't really have a cake texture to me. It kind of feels like a glorified bread recipe, like a banana bread, but this is really good. The spices in there are nice and warm, and they're really complimentary. Nothing is too overpowering. And the glaze adds just another level of sweetness that totally takes this to the next level. So if you're gonna make this, definitely don't skip on the glaze. It completely makes the recipe a whole picture. It makes it a whole. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate all of your support, and leave any suggestions for any other recipes down in the bottom bar below. And don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.